Why are our students struggling? The 2024 CSEC decline. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Jamaican Analyst channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind. Guess what that topic is? This year's decline in CSEC results. It's a tough reality and it raises some important questions about our education system. All right, but let's explore what's happening and why our students might be struggling more than ever. Okay, please remember, I need your input, so kindly I'm asking you, watch this video to the end. If you're a parent, if you're an educator, if you're an adult, please watch this video to the end. Share your thoughts also on what you believe or what you think is causing this decline in our education system. I invite you to look at your screen presently. Look at this statistic. Now you can see at the bottom from 2011 through to 2021. Right? Look at the light green lines and the purplish line to its right. You notice how those lines are high on the left, but as the years go by, they get shorter going down to your right. No, the green line is saying entered to sit CSEC math, while the other one is saying entered to sit CSEC English. What that is saying, from 2011, you have a higher number entering, being qualified to do the subjects and being recommended to do the subjects. But as you go to 2012, 2013, 2014 and so on, less students are being recommended to do the subjects. That's what that chart is saying. Within a 10-year period, the numbers are declining. So we are speaking facts based on that graph. Let's continue. Let's look at some numbers. Let's start with the numbers here. This year, 2024, only 18% of students managed to secure 5 or more subjects, including math and English A. Can you imagine that? Only 18% of the 100% that sat the exams, only 18% got over 5 subjects, right? That's a 3% drop compared to last year. And it's particularly alarming in core subjects like mathematics, where the pass rate has fallen to just 36%, right? But what's behind these numbers? Let's look further into this. There are several factors that we need to consider. First, let's go back to the COVID-19 pandemic. Even though schools have returned to face-to-face learning, the disruption to education over the past few years has had lasting negative impact on most of our students, right? Many students are still catching up on the loss of learning time. Some would have graduated since the time of the COVID pandemic, but we are still seeing the effects of it now. Because guess what? Those younger students who were issued tablets, can I tell you, as much as the thought was good to issue those tablets, they having the tablets were distracted by other apps on the tablets, other games on the tablets, and when you believe that they are doing schoolwork, they are on different game apps, movie apps, right? And all sort of social media apps. So they were highly distracted, and we are seeing the results now. What do you think, my viewers and subscribers? Kindly talk to me. Kindly share your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think that students nowadays are more distracted than the years that have gone by? And if so, what are the distractions? Do you think the rapid increase of the different social media platforms, the Instagram, the TikTok, the Facebook, the YouTube, and you name it, do you think the students now are more distracted than when we had these social media platforms? Or do you think some of the songs that are playing nowadays are impacting our students negatively? There's a song that glorifies being dunce and sitting at the back of the class. Do you think those songs are impacting our students negatively? And when I say our students, we are not saying all, but we are talking about those who are sitting 5 CSEC exams and not passing even one. Or they are passing some of them, but they are not passing math or English, right? There's another song out there that glorifies owning a car before you own a house, because they are saying house can't skate on the toll. And the young people are buying into these ideas. Do you think the rich quick mentality that are purported by these guys out there, do you think these are having a negative impact on our young people, on our students? Well, let's continue. Let's talk about the education system. Are we doing enough to support our students? That's the question. The recent decline could indicate gaps in our teaching methodologies or a lack of resources, especially in critical subjects like mathematics. What do you think about that? Right? Is it that the math teachers are migrating for better salary packages overseas? That could be a factor as well. And what about the mental health of our students? We have to pay attention to that, right? The pressure to perform well, right? Combined with challenges of life during the pandemic and even after the pandemic has taken a toll, right? So those are contributing factors. Are we providing enough support to help and manage this stress? I'm calling on parents, take time out to talk to your children. Sit down. and know sometimes you come from work and you are busy. You're tired. You're out there working very hard. And when you get home in the night, you just want to relax. But I'm imploring you, take time out. Okay? Take time out to listen to your children, hear their growths, hear their concerns, and try to give an helping hand. Talk to them, encourage them, right? Get help if you need to, as it relates to, supporting their mental well-being. So, my viewers and subscribers, where do we go from here, right? It's clear that to address this decline, we need a multifaceted approach. This includes not just improving the quality of education, but also ensuring that our students are mentally and emotionally supported. Perhaps it's time to revisit our curriculum and teaching strategies, making sure they are aligned with the needs of today's students. What do you think? Are there other factors we should be considering? Let's keep this conversation going in the comments below. Okay? I invite you to like this video. I invite you also to share it with another parent. Share it in your different school groups so that we can put heads together, put ideas together, and see how we can help our students to strive for mastery. Until then, see you in our next video. Take care.